If you're looking for a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with your own private saltwater pool and hot tub in the heart of ChampionsGate, you have to check out this house. Once you step foot inside that front door, your eyes are gonna be drawn to this open concept kitchen, living, and dining room space with 11-foot ceilings and the beautiful saltwater pool out back. This is a great space for big families to gather, or if you just wanna have a cozy night in with your closest friends and family. Now, if you're looking to be a Florida resident full-time or a snowbird, you have peace of mind if you live here on Olympic Club Boulevard. The HOA takes care of your lawn care, your cable, your internet, and the best part is, if you like to golf, which Florida is known for, you have year-round access and membership to the ChampionsGate Country Club, which has numerous amenities in addition to just golfing, such as tennis and fine dining. Well, there you have it, 1373 Olympic Club Boulevard right here in ChampionsGate. This home is gorgeous, it's upgraded, and it's ready for you to call home. So feel free to reach out to me for a private showing. I'm Gavin Hatch, the Realtor of the Future with the Orlando Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty.